gets me A to B. This old tin roof ain't never had a leak. Who needs a swimming pool when you got a creek? Yeah, this guy's got everything you'll ever need. I don't need six figures, my bank account bigger. Pile of cash don't make me richer. No. Give me a wraparound porch swing, swinging 5-acre pond with a night crawler sinking. Girl in my hand, the other one drinking that Bud Light. Yeah, that's my kind of money. I'm good with what the good Lord's giving. Dirt under my boots in the air I'm breathing. Lose every penny, I'd still be winning. I'm trying to make a life, not a living. Trying to make a life, not a living. Now you can't take nothing with you when you go. The time that you got's about as good as gold. Got a girl that I love that I get to hold. Thank God for what I got and not what I don't. I don't need six figures, my bank account bigger. Pile of cash don't make me richer. No, give me a wraparound porch swing, swinging 5-acre pond with a night crawler sinking. Girl in my hand and the other one drinking that Bud Light. Yeah, that's my kind of money. I'm good with what the good Lord's giving. Dirt under my boots in the air I'm breathing. Lose every penny and still be winning. I'm trying to make a life, not a living. Trying to make a life, not a living. Trying to make a life, not a living. Give me a wraparound porch swing, swinging 5-acre pond with a night crawler sinking. Girl in my hand and the other one drinking that Bud Light. Yeah, that's my kind of money. I'm good with what the good Lord's giving. Dirt under my boots in the air I'm breathing. Lose every penny and I'd still be winning. I'm trying to make a life, not a living. Trying to make a life, not a living.
I'm the son of a third-generation farmer. I've been married 10 years to a farmer's daughter. I'm a God-fearing, hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my plower, chug-a-lug-a-lugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester. 3 miles of cars laying on their horns, falling on deaf ears of corn, lined up behind me like a big parade of late to work, road rage, jerk shouting obscene words, flipping me the bird. Well, you may be on a state paid road, but that blacktop runs through my payload. Excuse me for trying to do my job, but this year ain't been no bumper crowd. If you don't like the way I'm driving, get back on the interstate. Otherwise, sit tight and be nice and quit your honking at me that way. I'm the son of a third-generation farmer. I've been married 10 years to a farmer's daughter. I got 2 boys in the county, 4-H. I'm a lifetime sponsor of the FFA. That's what I make a lot of hay for a little pay. But I'm proud to say I'm a God-fearing, hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my plower, chug-a-lug-a-lugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester. Well, I know you got your own deadlines, but cussing at me won't save you no time, hoss. This big wheel wide load ain't going any faster, so just up the road on my plower, chugga-lugga-lugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester. Combine driver, hogging up the road on my plower, chugga-lugga-lugging 5 miles